Hey there! So, we got an interesting problem on our hands today. We have a set of recorded command packets, each 32 bytes long, with the first 4 bytes supposedly being an Ethernet CRC 32 checksum of the remaining 28 bytes. The challenge is to figure out how to calculate this CRC, since the standard methods haven't been yielding the correct results. We suspect there might be some data reordering happening before and after the CRC calculation. How can we crack this CRC puzzle? Is there an automated way to try different permutations of the data? Now, let's delve into the solution for this intriguing problem. After analyzing the data and noticing minimal variation among the messages, it seems that the bytes may indeed represent a CRC. By XORing the CRCs of messages with different variations, we can deduce the CRC for a message with a specific digit. This indicates a linear function over GF2, aligning with CRC characteristics. Through careful computation and exclusive OR operations, we can uncover the underlying CRC function for the data provided. Interestingly, despite this approach, none of the 32-bit CRC implementations seem to match the given data. It's a CRC conundrum that requires a deeper investigation. In summary, we've explored a perplexing problem involving CRC calculations for recorded command packets. While attempting to decipher the CRC pattern through XOR operations, we encountered unexpected results that defy conventional CRC algorithms. The quest for the correct CRC calculation continues, posing a fascinating challenge for data analysis enthusiasts. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts on this CRC mystery. Until next time, happy problem solving!